Hey guys, today we are going to make these Samoas. They have a crisp almond flour shortbread that is topped with date caramel, toasted coconut, and chocolate. These actually taste like Samoas, unlike other healthy Samoa recipes. Please like and subscribe and follow me on social media. First, to make the dough, melt some coconut oil. You can also use butter. Next, add in honey or any other liquid sweetener. Add tapioca starch to make the shortbread light and crisp. You can use any type of starch. Add in almond flour. This is the base of our recipe. In this video above, I show you how you can make your own almond flour out of almonds. Add some salt to enhance the flavors. And just mix this together until a dough forms. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, to make the caramel, add soaked dates to a food processor. I'm using medjool dates, and you can soak the dates in hot water for 1 hour or soak them overnight 6 to 8 hours in cold water. Next, add in nut butter. Any type would work as long as it has a mild flavor like almond butter. To learn how to make your own nut butter, just tap the I above. Next, add in vanilla extract, which enhances the flavor. Add some salt to balance out the sweetness, and just blend until smooth. You may need to add a couple tablespoons of water if it is too thick, and just keep blending. This may take a while to become smooth, and this is the texture you're looking for. Just transfer this into a container to use for later. You can use this date caramel anywhere in place of normal caramel. Follow my Insta and TikTok to see how I use this caramel in creative ways. This can last in the fridge for about 3 weeks. So next, preheat the oven and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Get a large piece of parchment and place your chilled cookie dough onto it. Fold the parchment over the dough and roll out the dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Peel away the parchment paper. Using a 1.5 inch circle cutter, cut out circles, and cut out another circle inside. Carefully lift out the ring and place it on your prepared baking sheet. And just repeat until all your rings are cut out. Gather all your scraps and place them in the freezer to firm up, and bake your cookies until nice and golden brown. Allow them to cool on a wire rack and place your date caramel in a Ziploc bag. Cut off the edge of the bag and use this to pipe a thin layer of caramel onto the cookies. Use a knife to spread out the caramel across the surface. Sprinkle the top with toasted coconut. Make sure it is completely covered, no skimping. And this is what it looks like now. One final thing, add chocolate chips into a bowl. I am using these sugar-free, dairy-free chocolate chips from Lily's. And just add a little bit of coconut oil to make it smooth. Melt that down in the microwave or over a double broiler. Place this in a plastic bag and cut off the edge. Drizzle the cookies with the chocolate. You can also cover the bottoms with chocolate. I just thought it was too much work. And now you're done. These are so toasty and delicious, you have to try them. Thanks for watching.